National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Ellis County and north central Texas, southeastern Dallas County and north central Texas, northwestern Kaufman County and north central Texas until 7:45 p.m. At 7:12 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Combine, or 9 miles south of Seagoville, moving north at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Crandall and Combine around 7:25 p.m. Seagoville around 7:30 p.m. Talty around 7:35 p.m. Forney around 7:40 p.m. Sunnyvale around 7:45 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Lawrence and Drosser. This includes Interstate 20 between mile markers 482 and 497. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for eastern Collin County and north central Texas, northwestern Hunt County and north central Texas until 7:45 p.m. At 7:11 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Farmersville, or near Wiley, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Radar is still tracking a strong rotation near Wiley, moving northeast. This is an extremely dangerous storm and has caused extensive damage and possibly injuries near Owlet. If you are in the path of this storm, take cover immediately to protect your life. This dangerous storm will be near Farmersville around 7:20 p.m. Celeste around 7:35 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Josephine, Blue Ridge, Westminster, and Nevada. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.